Before you move, you have to ask yourself one big question. Am I chasing a dream or running from something? This playlist will help you find the answer. Welcome to Moving for Smarties, where we take the stress out of relocation and turn it into a roadmap for your next big adventure. I'm your host, Mariette Fry. I built this series to guide you through the dreams part of FRED. It's my framework: finances, robustness, ecosystem, and dreams. This is where it all begins. We start with dreams, part one, because remember, starting with the dream helps us reverse engineer you into the other three, and then we circle back to the dreams to make sure what you think is the dream is still the dream. Through personal stories and coaching prompts, you'll learn how to clarify your deepest dreams and separate the old ones that you've outgrown. You're going to identify what's truly pulling you forward versus what's pushing you away. And you're going to spot fear-based decision-making that keeps you stuck. We're going to ask powerful questions like, what are you trying to prove and who are you trying to prove it to? And we're going to use visioning exercises to picture future you in the next city or season of your life. In other words, this playlist is about getting clear on where you want to move and why you want to move, because without a strong why, the how and the where don't matter. So start with episode 1 and binge your way through the full dreams playlist. By the end, you'll know whether your dream is calling you to move or whether your dream is to build right where you are. Now, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and join the Smart Move Society, even if you're exploring a move or just want to feel more grounded while you figure out what's next. Joining us in the Smart Move Society on School, it's free. It'll help you get to, deeper things like planning tools and community and real conversations about finding a place that fits who you are becoming. So onward, moving smarty. I'll see you in the next video.